Now dear student, we are going to discuss question number 4.19, and in this question it is given to you, read each statement below carefully and state with reason it is true or false. Clear? Now statement number 1 is given to you, net acceleration of a particle in circular motion is always along radius of the circle towards the center. Clear? So my dear student, this is a correct answer or a wrong. Actually we always discuss about three types of acceleration. Number one, centripetal acceleration. Centripetal acceleration come into picture when a particle is having uniform speed in a circular path. At that time we can say that centripetal acceleration come into picture. Second, if we talk about tangential acceleration come into picture when speed, or we can say velocity of a particle is changing continuously. It means we can say speed is also changing, then we can say tangential acceleration come into picture. Then we are going to discuss one more acceleration, that is net acceleration. Net acceleration is actually resultant of tangential acceleration as well as centripetal acceleration. So in this question it is given to you, if we talk about part number A, net acceleration of a particle, this statement is wrong. Clear? If it is written like this, the centripetal acceleration of a particle in circular motion is always along radius of a circle towards the center, that is correct. But here it is given this is net acceleration, so we can say statement number 1 we have false. Clear to you? Yes. Now if we discuss about part number B, in part number B we can say the velocity vector of a particle at a point is always along tangent to the path of a particle. Yes. So let's suppose we have a stone and it is tied to a string. Clear? Let's suppose we are revolving that stone in an horizontal plane, and let's suppose if I cut that string, definitely you can say that stone will move in a tangential direction. Clear? It means we can say statement number B, this is true. Clear? Now if we talk about average acceleration of a particle in uniform circular motion in one cycle, listen carefully. Let's suppose here we have a circle. Clear? Let's suppose this is circle. A particle, or let's suppose stone is here at this position. Clear? Now let's suppose I am marking here 4 position, this one and this one. Now in this situation we are getting direction of centripetal acceleration is this one. In this situation when the stone will be here, we are getting centripetal acceleration direction this one. In this situation we are getting this one AC and this is also AC. Clear? It means we can say the direction of, or we can say the direction of AC is cancelled by the diametrically opposite point. Yes or no? It means we can say if we average value of centripetal acceleration in a complete cycle, so we can say for a one vector there is always present a vector that is just opposite. Clear? It means we can say the acceleration vector of a particle in a uniform circular motion is a null vector. Yes, definitely this is correct. So I can say part number C, this is also true. Clear to everyone? So this is all about this question.